Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Wok with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show you the essence of the fast cooking system. In here, I took two different dishes and combined them into a single dish, and the end result is that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Advanced prepping is the key for the fast cooking system to work. By having all the ingredients ready to go, you will find that cooking these dishes is very simple and straightforward. Because stir-fry inherently is a very simple cooking process. As one friend once said to me, a stir-fry could not be simpler. All you have to do is throw everything in the wok and keep stirring. In fact, that's exactly what I do when I have my cooking classes. I just have the student keep stirring and I keep throwing things into the wok. And when I use this approach, I could even have children as young as 5 or 6 years old able to stir-fry a very nice dish. When you take advanced prepping, stir-frying, and combine it with flavor chasing, you are enter into a different level of cooking. And ultimately, it's the flavor that you create with the ingredients that you use is what make the dish distinctive. And this is what makes stir-fry fascinating because you can make rapid progress in very short time. For example, you can learn how to make this dish with 2 vegetables using the water stir-frying technique in a matter of minutes. The end result is that by itself, you have made a very nice vegetable dish. Basically, what you hear is an example of template-based cooking. Okay, now let's set aside and move to a slightly different template. As the saying goes, doing is the way to learn. Only by practicing you will become better. With the fast cooking system, you are continuous to learn because the cooking process is rapid, so you can cook many different things at one time. Here is a chicken dish that you can cook in less than 2 minutes. Again, with the fast cooking system, the advanced prepping allow you to make changes very quickly. In the fast cooking system, template-based cooking is the source of variations. In this particular template for cooking chicken, I provided an example of the simplest way how to cook this chicken. All you have to do is to put the chicken into the wok and keep stir them until they are done. Through advanced prepping, if you already have the chicken ready to cook, you can tell the whole process is very simple. When I do this in my cooking classes, the students are always amazed how simple and quick for them to cook a chicken in the wok. Next comes to the magical part of the cooking is to season the chicken. This is where flavor chasing of the fast cooking system come into practice. Right there, I would tell my students, this is where the originality of the system comes into place. Because you can season the dish in so many different ways where your imagination is going to be the only limitation. So with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir-frying, and template-based cooking, it forms the 4 attributes of my fast cooking system. So as now you can see that I took 2 different templates, and I'm going to combine them to form a single dish. I could have served these 2 dishes separately, but combine them, you bring an entire new dimension to this dish. I am a strong believer that the whole is always greater than the sum of the parts. Instead of a separate chicken dish and a separate vegetable dish, now you combine them together to form a chicken vegetable dish that has its own unique characteristics. And this becomes even more obvious if you serve them over a plate of rice. When cooking the 2 separate components of the dish by themselves, it allows you to exert more creativity. It gives you more control both in terms of the texture as well as the flavoring of each individual dish. So okay, here are the videos to show you how to cook the individual components of this particular dish. As you can see, once you break them down, this chicken vegetable dish is very simple. I'll see you next time.